We don't practice this probably because we don't see that many crowd at our other buildings. Okay, our third speaker is also another one, very renowned speaker as well. He may sound like Arab, but he's a Malaysian. Okay, Sheikh Fazly Izwan Abdul Jalil. He's a seasoned facility management professional, again with about almost 30 years of experience, including holding senior leadership role in Malaysia and UAE. He's currently based as the Chief Technical Officer in Chulia Middle East Technical Services in Dubai, where he drives strategic operation focused on smart FM technologies and stakeholders collaboration. So his company is quite renowned for delivering transformative FM projects, and he has established key partnerships with leading organizations such as Al Nabuda Automobile, Canadian University in Dubai, and the Dubai Foundation for Women and Children. He also has written an article, Integration of IoT, Data Analysis and Mobile Application towards Digitalization in Facility Management. Interesting topic. And another case study published in Internal Journal Interactive Mobile Technologies. And I think without further ado, shall I invite you, Cik Fazly, to come to the stage and share your slide. Thank you very much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all distinguished guests, industry leaders and fellow professionals. It is indeed an honor to be here this morning, and I would like to begin by extending my sincere appreciation to CIDB Malaysia for inviting me as one of the speakers at this prestigious event. So today I am pleased to share with you a topic that reflects the ongoing transformation within our industry, which is the integration of IoT, data analytics and mobile application, digitizing facilities management. This presentation is actually based on a real case study conducted in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, showcasing how the adoption of smart technologies has enhanced operational efficiency, improved asset performance, and set a new benchmark for sustainable facilities management practices. I wish to start with the company introduction of Chulia Middle East Technical Services, or CME for short. Actually, CME is an integrated facilities management and technical services provider, which is based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, established in 2015. Initially, the company was originally known as Al Nabuda Chulia Facilities Management, formed as a joint venture between the Khalifa Juma Al Nabuda Group of the UAE and also the Chulia Facilities Management Sdn from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So my presentation today revolves around the implementation of Waris, our in-house smart facilities management platform. Actually, Waris is an acronym for Work Automation and Risk Information System. It was developed in collaboration with University Kebangsaan Malaysia, or UKM, back in 2017, with the primary aim of enhancing facilities management, operations and service delivery. Well, I guess Every one of us here is quite familiar with the traditional or conventional way of facility management practices. I think in most organizations, maintenance operations were still dependent on paper-based tracking and manual reporting. This was actually the reality for many FM operators before the integration of smart technologies and data-driven system. Organizations are facing mounting pressure to reduce operational and energy costs, and which can only be achieved through smarter technology-driven management. Digitization allows us to move from reactive maintenance to predictive and data-driven decision-making, which enhance both efficiency and reliability. So our goal was to implement a digital FM system that connects people, assets, and processes seamlessly by leveraging IoT sensors, data analytics, and mobile applications. And we aim to enhance response efficiency, improve visibility, and also support better decision making. As you can see here, our system integrates a network of IoT sensors that continuously monitor real-time environmental parameters, including temperature, humidity, air quality, and power usage. All data is seamlessly consolidated into a centralized cloud-based platform, ensuring full accessibility, operational transparency, and scalability across multiple facilities. The system mechanism is built around a cloud-based computerized maintenance management system, or better known as CMMS, that integrates seamlessly with IoT sensors and a mobile interface. This architecture supports real-time data synchronization between field technicians and management teams, facilitating faster decision-making, transparent reporting, and a fully connected smart facilities ecosystem. Our IoT devices consist of a wide range of smart environmental and equipment sensors designed to provide continuous real-time monitoring across the facility. Among others, we deployed temperature, humidity, and also power consumption sensors, also along with water level and also light sensors to monitor lighting conditions and optimize energy use. Through Waris mobile app, users can monitor the life status of equipment and system 24/7, receiving pre-alerts and notifications instantly through channels like email, Telegram, or even WhatsApp. For the management, the app provides dashboard analytics and trend monitoring, ensuring transparency, accountability, and faster decision-making at all levels of operation. Through the analytics engine, the platform performs real-time fault detection and trend analysis, allowing the maintenance team to identify abnormalities before they escalate into downtime or major repair costs. Using this data, we enable predictive maintenance scheduling, transforming maintenance from a reactive model into a proactive one. We conducted this case study back in 2020 for one of our most valued and long-standing clients, which is the Al Namuda Automobiles, who are the distributor of Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche cars. This implementation covered two of their key facilities, as you can see here. The one is the Porsche showroom and the other one is the Volkswagen showroom, both located along Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. So prior to the full implementation, the project was structured into 4 key phases to ensure a smooth and systematic transition from traditional to smart operations. The first phase focused on conducting a comprehensive assessment and baseline survey. The second phase involved the deployment of sensors and the mobile application. The third phase concentrated on staff training and system testing. And finally, the fourth phase marked the full operational rollout and continuous monitoring. A wide range of IoT sensors strategically placed across different building zones to capture both environmental and operational data. For example, temperature, humidity, and vibration sensors were installed within key spaces such as offices, showrooms, conference hall, meeting rooms, and also mechanical plant areas, which is to monitor comfort conditions and also detect early signs of mechanical faults. And of course, project cannot run from problems and challenges. Among others, one of the key challenges that we encountered was network and connectivity constraints. So to maintain stable communication between all sensors, we had to strategically install IoT gateways and signal repeaters throughout the site. Another set of challenges that we encountered was more operational and strategic in nature. For example, in the early months, it was difficult to immediately demonstrate tangible returns. Basically because the system required a learning curve and a calibration period before the full benefits became visible. And each problem has its own unique solution, and that's where our technical adaptability played a very key role. To address on network and connectivity constraints, we enhanced wireless coverage using industrial-grade IoT routers, mesh repeaters, and also LoRa gateways in ensuring strong and stable connectivity across the entire facility. And in solving issues, we also conducted structured IoT and CMMS training sessions for both technicians and our supervisors. The goal was to build familiarity with the system to ensure everyone from maintenance, staff to management could interpret data, respond to alerts, and make informed decisions. When it comes to stakeholder coordination, we appointed a dedicated Smart FM project coordinator who is responsible for overseeing all communication and progress tracking. Structured coordination approach kept everyone synchronized, minimized delays, and maintain project transparency from start to finish. Now, we now come to the vital part of this presentation, which I want to share the success story and measurable outcomes from this implementation. The integration of IoT analytics, we achieved between 12 to 14% annual energy reduction. This is via smart control, real-time monitoring, and also optimize the lighting system, including also HVAC system and also the other power system. Continuous data analysis identified underperforming equipment, enabling fine-tuning and long-term operational efficiency through predictive data-driven facilities management. Our IoT-enabled predictive maintenance use real-time monitoring and automated alert to detect anomalies, trigger CMMS work orders, and also cut unplanned breakdown by 30%, transforming reactive maintenance into an intelligent, data-driven facilities management model. Another major success that we have achieved was a dramatic improvement in response time. I think this is very important. In response time and overall operational efficiency. Before the IoT system was implemented, the average response time for faults or maintenance issues was around 3 hours. After integration, this was reduced to less than 30 minutes. It's a very big gap in terms of the response time. And thanks to automated alerts and intelligent task routing. And the fourth achievement highlights how IoT integration significantly improves indoor environmental quality, or IEQ, which is one of the key indicators of occupant comfort and building wellness. The fifth achievement focuses on water and utilities management, an area where IoT automation truly demonstrated its value in preventive control and resource optimization. By deploying water level sensors at various tanks and pump systems, we automated the control of transfer and irrigation pumps, which means we effectively preventing both overflow and dry run conditions that could lead to mechanical damage or energy wastage. And another important achievement from this project is the enhancement of data transparency and performance reporting across all facility operations. All real-time data collected from IoT sensors, equipment logs, and also maintenance activities were consolidated into the Smart FM CMMS dashboard, allowing management teams to monitor overall performance and operational health with complete visibility. And the IoT-driven initiative has played a key role in reducing the overall carbon footprint in our facilities, fully aligning with the UAE Vision 2050 roadmap towards a net zero emission future through intelligent preventive maintenance and also continuous performance monitoring. I think we successfully extended the life cycle of critical assets while minimizing operational stress and unplanned downtime. The design of our system is such that it is fully customizable and highly scalable, allowing flexibility to grow with the client's operational needs and future technology advancement. From a modular perspective, the infrastructure supports plug-and-play integration, meaning new IoT devices or sensor networks can be added seamlessly without major redesign or disruption to the existing system. And as part of our roadmap for the future, the scalability of this system opens up even greater possibilities. With smart energy forecasting, we can utilize historical IoT data combined with AI-based predictive models to anticipate load patterns and also enable automated energy demand response. This is to help reduce consumption during peak hours and improving energy cost efficiency. And to sum up, our IoT-driven transformation revolutionized facilities management through integrated sensors, CMMS, and also analytics, achieving 12 to 14% energy savings and 30% fewer breakdowns. It enhanced reliability, sustainability, and client visibility, aligning with the UAE Vision 2050 and also the lead operation and maintenance goals for intelligent, sustainable operations. In short, this project proves that when innovation meets execution, the result is not just operational improvement, but most importantly, industry transformation. Okay, just a quick snap of our history in providing smart FM. This photo shows our platform launch in 2018 back in Langkawi by Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, the then Prime Minister of Malaysia. And this photo shows a glimpse of the Waris smart devices and platform. This is the sensors you can see on the screen now. Each device and sensors was purpose-built to monitor critical environmental and specific asset parameters. This slide shows how Waris sensors integrate with the FM platform, enabling real-time monitoring, automated maintenance, data-driven decisions for efficient, intelligent, and sustainable building operations. Okay, once again, this slide shows you the live Waris IoT system displaying real-time sensor data for proactive maintenance, energy analysis, and also intelligent data-driven FM. This is the Waris mobile platform, which was built around real operational needs, designed to empower our technicians and managers with real-time access to information. As you can see now, this is the data dashboard of our Waris Smart FM platform. It gives management a real-time view of energy usage, work orders, and performance trends, transforming raw data into actionable insights. In short, this is the nerve center of our Smart FM operations. And this slide shows our heritage smart monitoring initiative with the Dubai municipality and also with the International Council of Museums, or better known as ICOM, using IoT sensors to protect heritage buildings through real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and also sustainable technology-driven cultural preservation. Okay. Similarly, for the heritage buildings, the system continuously tracks things like vibration, pressure, humidity, and structural stress levels, giving facility engineers instant visibility into the health of the building fabric. More importantly, it features a real-time alert engine that flags any abnormal readings. And with the strong support from two highly respected UAE heritage experts, namely Engineer Rashad Bukash, who is currently the chairman of the Architectural Heritage Society of UAE, and also Engineer Ahmad Mahmood. Currently, he is the board member of ICOM and also the vice president of the Architectural Heritage Preservation Society. Inshallah, Chulia has been given the green light to initiate a pilot project at the Al Sindaga Museum in Dubai in January 2026, which is just around the corner. Thank you.
Thank you, Chief Fazly. I think Chief Fazly has shared with us a very interesting subject on future facility management when we touch about IoT, smart sensors, and we talk about CMMS, and And he also picked up that we need to synergize between the BIN, Building Integrated Modeling System, with the CMMS. In short, sometimes what we do is the IoT sensor, we also call it Building Automated System. So I think with these three speakers that have shared a lot of interesting topics with us this morning, I think there's a lot of questions that our participant here would like to pose. Now I'd like to get some of the participants to come up with the questions. If not, maybe I will start the ball rolling first by addressing all the three speakers with probably one question. First of all, I think if we all know that when we talk about, like Mr. Matsumoto was saying, that it always started with design before we talk about sustainability. Similarly with Chief Fazly, when he was talking about moving towards what is IoT sensors. But Mr. Majid, we all agree that when you managing this clock tower, before that there was no clock tower. Similarly, the building in this region or most of the part of the world, we are not in that area. These are old buildings. If you were to design with a new building, of course, it's easier for us to start with a good design stage where we can include all the suggestions that you have made. But how would you go about to move towards facility management, this AI facility management, so that this building that we already have, which is about, say, 20 years old, can move towards sustainability? Please, Mr. Matsumoto, how would you do that?
Yeah, as you mentioned, maybe new building is much easier.
This old building,
Yeah.
how would you want to do that?
So this is also a case of like kind of a challenge, like in Japan. In Japan, also there are many buildings, more than 40, 50 years old, and still, even older building, AI and digital technology can play into the very important role.
Yes.
So maybe efficiency is maybe less than new building, but still AI and new digitalization can play a very important role in the old building by reducing carbon emissions. So, but this is still very challenging for us. So, but at least like a new building, we have some result. So, using the result and especially AI technology, we are also moving to the old building. How we can improve the old building. So this is one of the also challenge for us.
Good. Mr. Engineer Majid, you see, when clock tower was built, there was no clock tower. You come in and you demolish all the surrounding building and now convert it into a very prestigious building in Makkah. Is that the only way to go about moving towards demolish old building and build new one?
This is a government decision and investors also. But what I suggest that try to avoid high-rise as much as possible. High-rise building. High-rise building requires a lot, and especially when you are very close to downtown or very close to the central area, like Holy Mosque in Makkah. This will create an issue. But to prevent that from the beginning, we as a FM, the clock towers, we have been approached by different investors to what to avoid in order to do better. So for the crowd management, I told them, look, you need at least to have roads around your buildings. So never build a building, especially high-rise building, if you don't have 4 roads around you. Because with these roads, you can control the crowd around you. I mean, you will have places where you can shift people from left to right or from front to back. But if you don't have this, then start from now. If you don't have it, there are of course solutions, but it depends on the challenges that you have. Like one of the thing that we also the clock tower introduced recently 2 years ago, bridge. There is a new bridge has been built behind the building, which add also value for crowd control. This bridge, of course, it's above the ground, so it is passing by behind the clock towers, behind it from the Holy Mosque. And also we connect to this bridge, so we have also another way to move around. If we are talking about crowd also, you need to think about also always occupant type. So you need to change from type to type. Yani from commercial to residential, from commercial to office. If you do that, you will reduce also the crowd.
Okay.
So there are some areas where you can play around.
Interesting. Thank you, Mr. Malin. And then now, Fazly, since you are given the opportunity now to move to look at the old building, in heritage building in Dubai. So again, when you want to install, improve, put in the internet or the CMMS with your IoT sensors, how would you do that then? These are existing buildings.
First, the one that we had in Dubai currently, we have a continuous meetings for the heritage buildings under the Dubai municipality. We do presentations to them, and then we explain to them how important is things like downtime, uptime, things like response times, moving from planned preventive maintenance to predictive maintenance, and those kind of things. Eventually, they understand, and moving forward, they agree, to give us a chance or give a room for us to do the pilot projects, which is to install all these IoT sensors and also the CMMS system as part of the maintenance for the heritage buildings, especially the museum. So the first one, as you can see from my slides just now, is a museum.
Yes. So, okay, that's some of the opening questions. Please, can I have some question from the participant, please? How much time are you going to give me, Madam MC? 5 more minutes, please. Please. Go on.
Since we are talking about IoT sensor, I would like to tell you about Kotak Tanah. Kotak Tanah, there's an accident in Kotak Tanah, and there's few fatality because of the sensor. So the sensor is not being checked and maintained regularly. So the circulation of hazardous gas, the jet fan is not function very well on that very day. So accident happened. So what my question is, how frequent is the checking of the sensor? Thank you.
All the three. Please. So Mr. Fazly first.
I think we had this experience installing sensors. But you have to remember, my facilities management, our sensors was designed for built environment. Normally it's indoor temperature, humidity, vibration sensors for the pumps, and water sensors, flood sensors, and so on. What we do is that we send for yearly calibration to the ceiling or to the third-party ceiling lab. So your question just now is it a road, something like that?
Basically, generally, if I need to understand, how you maintain that these IoT sensors always function as it should be, right?
Yeah. Okay. So functionality-wise, as per what is sensors, it is a maintenance-free design. The design is maintenance-free, except to change the coin battery for say 1.5 years, every 1.5 years. But whenever something wrong happens to the sensor, you can see the dashboard. So in term of the signal and also in term of the power level.
You will be registered
You can always monitor on your dashboard.
on the dashboard.
Yes.
All right, good. What about Mr. Majid? In your case?
Can I answer this, although it's not related to my topic, but as Fazly said, Engineer Fazly, the calibration is very essential. Also, you need to know the manufacturer recommendation, as well as he said, whenever there is any issue with the sensor, it will send a false signal to the dashboard.
Yes.
So these three things that can play a role in that area. But manufacturer recommendation is always something that people need to look at. But sometimes we go for grant that we said, this sensor I know, I installed Honeywell, now I installed different Schneider, so it will be the same. No,
Different platform.
don't go for that assumption. You need to go to the recommendation of the manufacturer, how frequently they need to do anything more.
Good. All right. Mr. Masamuro, how would you address that issue?
So I think digital technology, AI, and sensor is all related. Like for example, energy saving. With this combination, we can also detect energy saving, and using the AI technology. Now also, AI can suggest some improvement once we have something wrong in the past. So such a maybe we have some small accident or incident, but AI can learn and can suggest improvement to us. Yeah. So mission. Yeah. This is kind of a combination. So that's why this combination, digital technology, AI plus sensor. This is very also important.
Good. Thank you. Any more question, please? If not, then I think we have come to the end of the session. Anything? Any more? Anyway, I just would like to summarize. First of all, I think we have listened to a very interesting topics that has been presented by the three speakers. And I think much like to say is that there's nothing there. We have to move forward when we talk about the future is the future of AI. Facility management have to move towards AI, whether you like it or not. And it's a question of time. So now we are talking about sustainability, decarbonization, we are talking about this IoT or sensors and so on. So I think it's a very interesting topic. I think for you to take home and think about it and discuss among ourselves. I would like just for all of you to share giving the appreciation to our three speakers. Thank you very much. Come on.